Hey, to install additional watch faces on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, first of all, on your smartphone, you will have to actually grab and open the Mi Fitness application. And from this, you will have to actually go into the device and select Manage Band Displays. Now from this, you can actually find all of this recommended watch faces. So let's say that I want to download, for example, this one. So I have to click on it. And now I have to click Apply. Now we have to wait for this installation process. We have to wait for the 100%. Okay, it's finished. And as you can see, right now we've got our watch face. There we go. Now if you want to get more the watch faces, maybe this one, we can also click to apply and we will be able to find it right here. And that's how we can do this. If you want to switch between the downloaded watch faces, let's get this one also. There we go. Now if you want to switch between those watch faces, just click and hold right here. And now as you can see, you can just get all of these watch faces. If you want to select watch face, just click on it with your finger. And right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.